Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we're going to make a hyacinth with a double flowered. It is also marked as Gloria Mundi from the illustration that I'm referencing. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. First of all, cut the petals out according to a template. Try to cut as accurate as possible. A pair of small sharp scissors will be very helpful here. Then we are going to color the petal strips in template 1 and 2 with some black pastel. Color from the bottom and bring it up to the tip of the petals. For the 3 and 4 templates, we color with a grey. I also mix a small amount of black to the grey. Cut the 22 gauge wire into 3 pieces about 10 cm each. Use a pair of round nose pliers to bend a loop on the top of the wire. While we are waiting for the hot glue to heat up, trim the petal strips into smaller segments. Gather the bottom of the petals and curl on the top. Add some hot glue to the bottom for attachment. We use 2 layers of template 1, template 2 for 1 layer, template 3 for 2 layers. Template 4 for 1 layer only. Make sure when you attach the template 3 and 4, you are not growing into a taller flower. You would like to attach your petals lining up at the bottom of the flower. Once we're done, we need to cut some bottom leaves. Similar with preparing the petals, we cut according to a template and shape them. Attach the bottom leaves with some UHU glue. Cut a strip of green paper strip. Wrap around the bottom of the bottom leaves and half of the wire stem. Final touch up, we color the center of the flower with the remaining black pastel to get a stronger contrast. After all the making, the flower might be flattened. So we use the tweezers to retouch the petals and give the flower more of a 3D look. It should look like this. Now we are going to add some leaves to go with our flowers. Cut the half leaves out according to a template. Add some UHU glue to the middle line and embed with a 26 gauge wire. Trim the tip of the leaf for a tidier look and shape the leaves. Take out 15 to 20 flowers and a 18 gauge wire. Prepare paper strips to put the branch together. Pick a flower and bend the head a little. Wrap it around the 18 gauge wire. Keep shaping the flower heads and wrapping them to the stem. Try to attach them closely together without a big space in between. Finally, wrap the leaves to the bundle. Cut the excessive wires away. Style all the flowers and give them a little retouch. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it. And all our templates and DIY kits are available on our website. Check them out. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. See you guys next week.